We are a technical skill development company for students, job seekers, and software professionals looking for software jobs. We provide online software skill development certificate courses on C programming, Linux application software development, embedded system software development, and Python programming. All certificate courses are online. There is no timeline to complete any course. Users can complete any course at their own availability. Users subscribe to our website and use our skill improvement facilities such as online tests, articles, projects, programming exercises, e-books, and job-oriented educational products to get practical skills and a certificate. We provide free online test facilities that help you evaluate your technical skills before software job interviews or written tests. Multiple choice questions along with correct answers are provided for each of the online tests. Certificate options along with detailed video explanations for each question are available for subscribed users.
I will show you how you can get a certificate for each of the online tests you appear in our company website. So you go to our company website homepage www.mbed.in, go to online tests and go to the category of test you want to appear. I will go for C programming. Here we have listed the tests you can appear in C programming category. I will click on arrays, two-dimensional arrays as an example. Here it says please register for free or login if already registered to start your test, because I have not logged in to start this test. So here if you are not registered already, you can give a username as of your interest and provide an email ID, and one OTP will be sent to that email ID. Once you receive that OTP, you enter that OTP in our website and provide a password of your interest and you will be registered. Once you are registered, you click on login and provide your login credentials. So I am already registered, so I will give my login credentials and submit, and it says I am logged in now, and it will redirect you to the online test you want to appear. So this is the online test I want to appear, and total number of tests in this question is 16, and we recommend you to practice this test before going for certificate option. So here, do you want certificate from this test? Yes or no? So when you are practicing the test, you give this option as no, and you give a number that is less than or equals to 16, as there are total 16 questions in this test. Then start my test. Here you will see the question on the left hand side, and you will have 4 options. Only one of these option is correct. On the right hand side, you will see a video that will explain about this question, what will be the right answer, the related theory about the question, and why that answer is correct. So it will give you all the explanation about the question and the right answer. And this video you will see only if you have subscribed in our website. If you have not subscribed in our website, you can go to mbed.in and then subscribe. So here you will see the options to subscribe, and click on the option you want and go for subscribe and make the payment here, and you will be registered as a premium user in our website, and you will be able to see these videos for each of the online test you appear. So I will click on the answer, and then I will go to the next question. So for each question you will see the video explanations when you are practicing the test. So I will answer this question. So here it says not eligible for certificate repeat test, because in the when we started the test we have given the certificate option as no. So here the score is 100%. Total questions I appeared is 2 and the correct answer is 2. So when you have completed practicing this test few times, you can go for certificate option. Okay, so you can repeat that test and then you go for certificate option now. So here you click do you want certificate from this test is yes, and then you give the number of questions for this test as 16, which should be equal to the maximum number of questions in this test, and then start my test. Here when you are going for certificate option, you will not see the video on the right hand side because the certification option is enabled and you are going to get a certificate for this test. So I will keep answering this question, and once you complete your answers for all the 16 questions, you will see a web page like this. Congrats, you have reached end of this test. Here is your score. So if you have scored more than 80%, you will see this button over here saying that you are eligible for certificate. Click to get certificate. So click on that button and then you will be confirmed that your certificate will be emailed in your registered email ID. So this is how as a subscriber you can practice the online tests with all the video explanations enabled, and then at the end you can get a certificate for this online test.
Programming exercises that are very frequently asked in software job interviews, along with complete solutions, are provided in our website. Detailed video explanations for the exercises are given for subscribed users.
This is the web page where we have listed all the programming exercises that are very frequently asked in software job interviews. So when you click on a particular exercise, you will get the solution of that exercise. So this is the page for C programming and this is the page for Python programming. So let me log in to show you the video explanations for each of the exercise. So I'm logging in. You can create a registered user ID if you don't have login credentials. So now I am logged in. Then I will go to the same page now, and when I click on a particular exercise, let's say I want the answer for this exercise, so you will see the video explanation of that exercise on the right hand side. This is the solution of that exercise and this is the video explanation of that solution. If you are a premium user only, you will be able to see the video explanations. Otherwise, you will see only the solution here.
We provide technical articles with practical code examples to demonstrate various concepts, skills, and knowledge required for software jobs. We provide specific projects on Linux and bare metal platform environments that will encourage you to apply the concepts that you have learned. Each project will be compiled and loaded onto a target hardware platform and tested by you. This gives excellent real-world software development experience. If you are unable to acquire a target hardware platform set up at your location, for a fee, you can schedule a project on our company hardware, which you can remotely access, and run your project code and complete the requirements for getting a certificate.
Through projects, you can get real and practical hands-on experience on software development. Hence, completing a project is one of the most important requirements to get certificate from our online certification courses. If you don't have hardware setup at your location to complete a project, you can schedule a project and we will help you by arranging the necessary hardware for the project and provide remote access to the setup. So to schedule a project, you can visit to the web page www.mbed.in/schedule a project, and then here you can fill up the project that you want to schedule. Click on that option and then give the time at which you are available and you can execute the project, and then click on the robot option, submit. You will be redirected to the payment page for that project, and you use a debit card or credit card through PayPal or Stripe and complete your payment, and then our company will be in touch with you to arrange the necessary hardware for the project which you can remotely access and complete your project.
We have available for purchase educational hardware products that you can use at your location for your project implementation. You can load and run your project code on your own hardware and develop real practical software development experience. Our ebooks cover all technical articles, multiple choice questions with answers, and programming exercises with solutions in one place. We provide internships for a variety of degree programs, including CSE, EE, ECE, EEE, EIE, ITIS Mechatronics engineering students. Through internship, students gain real-life practical experience using our own company product development, test, and automation activities. Our website has an extensive search engine that allows you to find information such as frequently asked programming exercises with solutions, or related multiple choice questions with answers using a keyword search.
Here is the search page where when you enter a keyword, you will get the related programming exercises along with the solutions for that keyword. So let's say I'm entering a word car, and here the option is see and examples. So I'm expecting all the programming exercises related to the keyword car, and it is on C programming, and I'm getting all the C programming exercises, and this is the exercise and this is the solution. So that is how I will get all the programming exercises and solutions related to that keyword I entered. Similarly, if you want to go for multiple choice questions on C, so you enter a keyword and you get all the multiple choice questions and their answers in the search result. So these are the multiple choice questions. So you see here we have given 4 options and the correct answer is provided here at the end of each exercise. So we have the multiple choice questions, then we have the 4 options, and at the end we have given the correct answer. You can do the same thing for Python also. So you can enter a keyword and at the end you will get all the programming exercises related to that keyword in Python. So here you will get all the exercises and their answers. For Python multiple choice questions, you enter the keyword and you will get all the multiple choice questions along with their answer. So this will help the candidate to prepare well for software job interviews and written tests.